After finishing your first two layers, your next step is orientation of the last layer. For this, there are 57 algorithms which solve the orientation of the last layer in just one step. However, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you a beginner version of this which only requires 10 algorithms. I recommend this specifically if you're averaging around 40 seconds right now and you're looking to improve. It is also a good idea to learn intuitive F2L before this. I'll link the JPM tutorial down in the description, and let's get started. Your first step in LOOK OLL is to first orient all of the edges on the top. This can be used using just one algorithm to orient the edges, just like this. If you have a case where two of your edges are facing up, hold those two edges at the front and use this algorithm. If you have two edges facing up, except instead of the L, this time they're across from each other, use this algorithm. Finally, this is the worst case. If you have none of your edges facing up, then you just use a combination of the two algorithms we've just learned. Now you should have all of your edges on the top oriented. We can now get these corners facing up. In our first case here, we have one corner facing up and the rest of the corners going like this in this direction. Here what we're going to do is we're going to hold it like this with this corner facing towards us and use this algorithm. Next, we have a similar case where we have just one corner facing up, but notice that when we hold it like this, there's no corner sticker here visible towards us. So in this case, we do a U2 like this, hold it, and do this algorithm. In the case that two of your corners are facing up and the other two headlights are facing across from each other, use this algorithm. We now have a similar case once again where two corners facing up, but instead of the headlights facing towards us and away from us, the headlights are like this. In this case, we're going to hold the headlights here at the front and use this algorithm. In the case where we have two stickers facing up and the other two which are unsolved in this pattern, you're going to hold it so that you have one of the unsolved stickers on the bottom right. Now here, it would be wrong. We are holding on the bottom right, but there's no sticker facing towards us. You're going to hold it so that there is also a sticker facing towards us and use this algorithm. The case where we have none of the corners facing the top, but we have two facing away and two facing the front, we're going to hold it like this and use this algorithm. Now for our final case. Similar to the last one, we have no corners facing the top, but instead of two facing here and two facing here, we have two facing like this at the front and the other two facing away from each other like this. For that, we use this algorithm. Now that's going to be it for this tutorial. If you want to check out LOOK PLL after you've learned this, please check the link in the description down below. The cube used in this video was the Tornado V3. You can find a link to buy it also down below. I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. See you guys in the next video.